If the state of Colorado told you that you need an SR-22 to get your license back, here's what that filing means, how long you may need to keep it, and what to watch out for before you buy insurance. An SR-22 is a certificate that your auto insurance files with the Colorado Division of Motor Vehicles. It is not a separate insurance policy. It is proof that your auto insurance meets Colorado's required liability limits. The SR-22 also creates an ongoing reporting requirement. If your coverage cancels or your SR-22 is no longer active while coverage is still required, your insurance company can notify the Colorado DMV. That can lead to another suspension, even if the original suspension period has already been handled. Several violations can lead to an SR-22 requirement in Colorado. DUI violations are a common reason, but Colorado may also require SR-22 proof after certain uninsured driving violations, accidents without proper insurance, too many violations, or other serious driving issues. The point is to prove financial responsibility going forward. Colorado requires minimum liability coverage of $25, $50, $15. That means $25,000 per person for bodily injury, $50,000 per accident for bodily injury, and $15,000 for property damage. Your SR-22 filing must confirm it meets or exceeds those limits. In many Colorado reinstatement situations, drivers must maintain SR-22 proof for 3 years following reinstatement. The exact requirement can depend on the reason for the suspension or revocation and what the DMV requires in your case. The biggest thing to avoid is a lapse. If you change insurance companies, your new insurer must file a new SR-22 before your old policy ends. A gap in coverage can trigger a notice to the DMV, lead to another suspension, and create problems with completing your required SR-22 period. Insurance premiums often increase with an SR-22 requirement, especially if the violation involved a DUI, reckless driving, driving without insurance, or an accident. The exact increase depends on your driving history, vehicle, location, coverage limits, and the company you choose. Colorado rates can vary from one carrier to another, so comparing multiple options can really make a difference. The SR-22 filing fee itself is usually manageable, often around $15 to $50 as a one-time cost. The bigger financial impact usually comes from the insurance premium. If you don't own a vehicle, a non-owner SR-22 policy may be an option. This can provide liability coverage when driving a vehicle you don't own, and is often less expensive than a policy that covers a car you do own. Set up autopay, keep your policy active, and make sure any new SR-22 is filed before canceling your old coverage. Visit SR22direct.com to get your Colorado SR-22 filed quickly and compare rates. Or give us a call or text at 888-620-SR-22. That's 888-620-7722. Agents are standing by to help you get legal and back on the road today.